Hey guys, it's Anastasia, and today we're going to be making Nickelodeon slime. Now let's see what's inside the box. We have a bowl, 2 containers of white glue, 2 containers of slime activator, 1 container of clear glue. We have some paints in different colors, some bowls, some sticks, and a spoon. And we have some decorations. And we also have instructions, so you can make opaque slime or translucent slime. And today we're going to make opaque slime. So we're going to pour the glue in halfway. And now we're going to pour it into the bowl. Next we're going to add 30 milliliters of water into the bowl. Now we're going to add 1.5 spoonfuls of paint. Now we're going to mix it until it's fully blended. And now we're going to add the activator. Look guys, it's starting to form. If there's a lot of water, then you might need to add a little bit of more glue. So now we're gonna add some decorations. We have some gold glitter, some beads to make crunchy slime, some googly eyes, and some rainbow glitter. So we're gonna use some of these beads to make crunchy slime. So we're gonna put these aside, and we're gonna open this. Thanks for watching my slime video, and make sure to subscribe and like. Bye guys!